What's up, Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. As you could see, I am not in my garage, but here we have my car. So I have borrowed my friend Gareth's workshop today, which is very kind of him, to show you a video. And if you have followed me along, you would have seen that from the last inspection that I did on the car, I got 8 remarks, but we have fixed 7 of those 8. But the last remark is accordingly the exhaust system. So they didn't want to test it because it has some holes in it. It has a bad repair here. Yeah, it's just bad overall. It has been welded a couple of times. Yeah, it really looks like shit. So today we are going to replace it with a brand new JT tuning exhaust. So this is a JT 3-inch Catback system, and they have 2 versions of this. You could get with 2 mufflers or a single muffler. And we also have the 2 different options of tips that they offer. So we will check this out in a little bit, because if you know, on the 2004 AERO, the hole for the exhaust pipe is a little bit round, so I think the round suits very well. But what I remember as JT is this oval shape, so I like this a lot better. So I will link this exhaust system down in the description box. And today I will show you what is important when you install this. So we will use some exhaust paste, assembly paste between each and every of these connections. And we got stainless steel clamps, which I have never used before, but I got sent these to me because these are like low profile. So if you lower the car, they will not be hitting the ground. And so far we have not changed the downpipe or anything. We will start with doing the Catback system, see how that sound, just do a couple of different comparison before with stock exhaust system and after with the new one. And I don't think there is a lot left in this exhaust system. I think it's very much beaten up. So I will just start with disassembling this old system, then we will start piece by piece building up with the new one. And I have already got these bolts out. So here we have a little comparison side by side. I think this is the way it's going in. So the difference between the JT and the original exhaust is these hangers. My exhaust doesn't have those. So we will just not use them, but this is the way it goes in. And I will start with this piece, just assemble it up, put it inside of the hangers, put a little bit of assembly paste, tighten that down, and then we will continue with each and every section one by one, adding assembly grease, then putting the clamp on, but just very loose, so we have the ability to adjust the exhaust. But it looks mighty fine and it feels like quality all through. So I'm just wire brushing this flange a little bit so we get better seal and better connection. For me, this is a real luxury to have a lift like this. I usually crawl down on the floor, as you have seen. So I have attached the clamp, put on some assembly paste, and just slide it in so it's fully seated. Ja, och du kan använda naturligtvis av startposterna. Laddning har ju en betonläge och sen supply då. Det här supply är funkar det allt du kan lägga hur mycket pengar som helst på den här. Ja. Det är för att skriva detaljer. Now we have gotten everything into place. So first you tighten everything loosely, then you go around and tighten them fully on when you have the exhaust where you want to. And there should be a little bit of play everywhere, otherwise it will rattle. And what's very important is where you put the clamp. So a lot of people will put the clamp right here. It's very important that it sits close to the edge, just like you can see right here, very close to the edge. And then I had to cut out a bit of material from the crash beam to be able to fit the exhaust without hitting anything. So it sits pretty good. And it should be freely, otherwise it will just vibrate and make some unpremium noise. And I really like this exhaust tip. This is JT tuning for me. But for this car, it has a very round exhaust. So when you put this in, it fits, but I think the other one looks a little bit better, because now you have the oval exhaust but the round cutout. So I'm thinking about maybe cutting this out and fit this exhaust, because I like this tip a lot better. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that the footage turned out well, because I don't know how everything sounds when you're recording inside of the car, but I hope it turned out well. Massive thanks goes to JT Tuning. So I will leave a link down in the description box below to the web shop if you want to purchase the same exhaust. I just love the tone on this exhaust. When you're driving slow, you get a slight little rumble, but nothing annoying at all. But as soon as you start to apply a little bit of throttle and raise the RPM, the sound just comes together with the RPM so good. And yeah, I really love it. It's just a rumble, and it's so bassy in the sound, and this is just the Catback. So if you add a downpipe, you will get a lot better sound as well. And massive thanks goes out to Gerard who lent me the lift. It means a lot to me to be able to do this and to be able to show you guys the details in this build. And if you thought this was enough, it ain't. There is more coming for the Saab 95 AERO. So we are not done with this build. There is more coming. So subscribe to the channel and like this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.